Alright, we have another Dell here. This one had its um, had its CPU or PC head shorted a while ago. So we're gonna try and reuse its screen. I remember this one being full HD, but I'm not sure if it's a, what do you call it, a 30 pin or not. This is an IPS panel, which is nicer. So we're basically stealing a screen from a dead laptop, like robbing a dead man. Great, so this is a 30 pin as well. And I'm gonna actually plug this into another laptop, see if we can see it working or not. Okay. So this laptop is a video just before this one, where I was going to get a new screen for it, but we might as well give the price a better option, half price of the new one, around that range. That's an option, they can say yes or no, up to them. So this is the one with the minor cracks on the edges, and this is the one from the other laptop. Let's see if it's working. Okay, everything does match. And we need a Dell power, which is conveniently located. Boom, screen didn't go bang. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. I don't even know the condition of this screen. It actually looks good. Yep. So this is an IPS panel, and the other one is not. Let's give it a quick clean. Let's see how it looks. So there is a minor mark there. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so only one issue I can see is a minor bright mark there. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take out of this. But you can see how the screen change be done on this laptop. Open up, say, let's say we open up YouTube. It's really hard to see. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.